We are pleased to show you the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, power tailgate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.